All right, guys, we got another unboxing here. I think we're gonna start doing these a lot more since I've been getting a lot more shoes and I haven't had time to unbox. But here's another unboxing. We have the Nike Notras. These are the blue voids. These babies. Kind of has like a creamy little sole part right there. The blue is beautiful in there. Some black and white laces, Notre. Yes, this is the collaboration they just had released. They were selling so hard, now they just plummeted, but I mean, these look really nice. If it was my size, I'd probably keep them, but they're 11.5. And I'm actually on the way to sell these since these already have been sold. So new buyers are gonna definitely enjoy these. I can't even get a good video of the inside, but oh wow, it's there we go. Still has the plastic in there. I mean, that is a interesting looking shoe. So sayonara, Nike. But let me know if you guys want to see more shoes. I mean, I could try to get more shoes as well. I'm buying, selling left and right. If you need anything, let me know. I could probably get it for you, of course, at resale, not retail. Be kind of lucky if I get it at resale. I'm sorry, retail, but yeah. Man, these are nice. Kind of don't want to sell them now. But, you know, have to make sure I have more money for the race car, which we'll be getting some parts very soon. Yeah. I actually don't know the specs on these, but all I know is they're a collaboration with Notre. And yeah, it's one of those special drops, of course, but resale on them isn't really high anymore. They used to be about $500-600. Now it's about $300 for this size. But yeah, all in all, it's a really nice shoe. I mean, I'd recommend picking one up if you guys are interested in the highs. Highs are definitely not something I would rock. I mostly rock the SBs. Also picked up a lot of Yeezys, and I got the pink pigs as well, so we'll do some unboxings on those as well. But let me know in the comments what you guys want to see. Yeah, I'm still gonna do a lot more car stuff, but the shoes are kind of like the side thing, so you guys will see a lot more a lot more cars, shoes on the channel. But just stay tuned, should I say, because there's gonna be a lot more stuff coming. All right, guys, peace.